All right, guys, Harbor Freight's parking lot sale only 2 weeks away, starting August 12th through the 15th for Inside Track Club members. Then everyone can save August 16th through the 18th. And man, they got some really good deals this time at the parking lot sale. We're going to go over those deals that you should be checking out at this parking lot sale. Now, if you guys are interested in seeing the whole flyer, I posted a video on that earlier. I'll make sure I link that at the end of the video. But let's get into the top deals you should be checking out at this parking lot sale. So first up, they got the US General 30-inch 5-drawer tool cart. This one's coming in at $197.99 for this parking lot sale. The lowest price that we've seen so far at a parking lot sale. Really great deal. As you guys can see, you can pick this up in multiple different colors. Really nice tool cart if you guys are looking for one. And probably your best bang for your buck when it comes to tool carts, no matter where you're shopping for one at. If you're Lowe's, Home Depot, I'd stay away from the Huskies and the Cobalts. Just go for the US General. These are some really nice tool carts. These come in with a 700-pound weight capacity, and it also comes with a little can holder on the side there, which is a nice little added addition to the tool cart. And it's got the locking drawers. Pretty nice. Now, if you guys are looking for something a little bit bigger, you want to store some more tools, another great deal, the Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer cabinet with the solid wood top. This is offered to you in 4 different colors. You got the red, black, blue, and the white. But another really nice option. You'll be able to pick this one up for $300, and this has a 1,200-pound tool storage capacity. It's a little bit more capacity than the US General tool cart. Another really good deal coming in at $300. If you guys are looking for some hand tools, they got a great deal going on for the Icon ratchets. In stores only, 40% off any Icon ratchet. This is the one I'm looking forward to. Now remember, you have to be in stores for this. You can't purchase this stuff online. But 40% off of any Icon ratchet. Not sure if there's a limit on how many you can buy. If it's just one per customer, one per day, or if it's a free-for-all. If you guys heard any other details about how they're going to be sorting this out, let me know in the comments section below. I'd like to hear it because I definitely want to hit up the store and pick up a few of these ratchets if possible. This is a good reason to be an ITC member because you guys get first dibs on this. So make sure you guys leave some for the rest of us because hopefully they're not all sold out by the time I get there. Another Icon tool deal, hopefully I can get my hands on, is this 35-piece locking flex head ratchet and bit set. So this is pretty nice, comes with its own case. Coming in at $24.99. Not a bad pickup for this. Here's a better look at it here. As you guys can see, it comes with all the common bits and sizes. Nice premium case. It's got the locking flex head. Also comes with a 4-inch extension. And the cool thing about the extension, it also can be used as a T-handle. Just a really nice kit when you need to get into those hard-to-reach areas. Another item that I'm hoping that'll still be in stock when I get to the store. Now, if you guys are looking for some deals on power tools, they got a deal going on for Hercules. So if you buy any Hercules kit starting at $97.99, they're going to throw in a free 4-amp-hour battery with this one, which is a $69.99 value. And they got about 5 different kits that you can choose from. So the kits you can choose from is a 1/2-inch drill driver kit. It's got the side handle, and it comes with the 2-amp-hour battery and charger. They also got the 1/4-inch compact 3-speed impact driver. This also comes with a 2-amp-hour battery and charger. They also got the 2-tool combo kit, which is going to be both of those, the drill and the impact driver. This one's going to come with 2 5-amp-hour batteries and the charger. If you guys are just looking for some extra batteries, they also offer the 5-amp-hour starter kit. And then the last kit they got is the 1/2-inch Ultra Torque impact wrench kit. And this one will come with the 5-amp-hour battery and charger. And these all qualify for the free 4-amp-hour battery. Also for Hercules, they got the miter saw on sale again. Now we've seen this price before. $2.99 for this one. No surprises here at this price, but still a heck of a deal if you guys are looking for a 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. It's got the LED shadow guide. This is a great alternative to the DeWalt's or Milwaukee's. That's going to be priced a little bit higher. Now, if you guys are looking for some Bauer deals, they had 2 deals for them. So one of the deals they got going on, and this is a pretty good deal, is the 8-inch 5-speed drill press. This has got the light with it. This usually comes in at around $89.99, so $90. But during the parking lot sale, They're going to have this marked all the way down to $73.99. So really nice deal if you guys been looking to get into the drill press. This would probably be a perfect time. I think that's the lowest price that I've seen the Bauer drill press coming in at, $73.99. Pretty good pickup on that. Now another really good deal they had going on for Bauer is the 4-inch by 36-inch belt, and then they got the 6-inch sander with that. This is usually around $119.99. They got this coming in at $89.99. Another really good deal if you guys been looking to get into a combination belt and disc sander by Bauer. So two really good deals, the belt sander and the drill press by Bauer during the parking lot sale. Now if you guys are looking for a good air impact, they're going to have the Earthquake XTs marked down. They're going to have these at $89.99. These are 1/2-inch air impact wrenches, and it's going to provide 1,200 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Now if you guys are looking for some jack stands, they have the 3-ton Daytona jack stands. Another lowest price that we've seen, $24.99 for these. Come in 6 different colors. These are really nice jack stands for you mechanics. Normally around $49.99. Previous parking lot sales, I've seen them as low as $27.99. So another really good deal coming in at $24.99. Now, if you guys are in the market for some floor jacks, they had a couple deals going on for the Pittsburgh floor jacks. So they got the 2-ton low profile here with the rapid pump. This is normally like around $119.99, but during the parking lot sale, they'll be having this come in at $94.99. But also for the same price, they're going to have the 3-ton low profile coming in at $94.99. So depending on what you guys need, they got the 2-ton, they got the 3-ton, both at the same price. In my opinion, I would just go with the 3-ton. The only downfall with the 3-ton is it's going to weigh a little bit more. I think it's right around 75-ish pounds compared to the 2-ton being around 55 pounds. But you're going to get more lift height with the 3-ton, and you have more clearance with the 3-ton coming in at 3 1/8 inch compared to 3 1/2 inch. So only downfall really with the 3-ton is it's going to weigh about 25 pounds more, but you'll get more lifting capacity. This will work better for those lower sitting cars while also providing you with maximum lift. Also, if you guys are looking for a decent creeper without breaking the bank, they're going to have the Pittsburgh Creepers on sale again, $19.99 for these. These are the one-piece high-impact PVC frame. It's got a little bit of cushion for your head, but these are pretty good. 300-pound capacity. I own one of these, haven't had any issues with it. Pretty comfortable. It's got a couple slots on each side for your tools. So $19.99 for the Pittsburgh Creeper. Now, if you guys are looking for a cheap welder on a budget, they're going to have the Chicago Electric Flux 125 coming in at the lowest price that we've seen it, $78.99. A really good deal on this one for you guys that might be just getting into welding, don't want to spend a lot of money, and you're just doing some tinkering around in the garage, doing some hobby stuff. The Flux 125 welder, I actually own this one. It's not too bad. The mask sucks, so you're definitely going to want to get a different mask. But other than that, it's not too bad of a welder if you don't want to spend a lot of money. It's going to have its limitations, but it's be good between 18 gauge and 316 gauge mild steel. And this will plug into your regular AC outlet. And if you pick up that welder, do yourself a favor, ditch the mask that comes with it and pick up one of these auto darkening masks. You can get the Chicago Electric one here. It's usually $39.99, but they're going to have that on sale for $29.99. Nice feature with the auto darkening. Really like these masks. They have ones that are a little bit fancier, but this would definitely be a nice upgrade compared to the mask that comes with the Flux 125. And another nice pickup to add with your welder and mask would be this Welding Cart. This is a 100-pound capacity welding cart coming in at $32.99, so not a bad deal. And these come in handy when you need to move your welder around the shop, or you just need a place to store your mask and your welder. Normally $49.99, but during the parking lot sale, it's going to be $32.99. Now, if you guys are a little bit more advanced and you want a better multi-purpose welder, they're going to have the OmniPro 220 on sale. As you guys can see, this is usually around $1,100. This is their best that Harbor Freight carries, and this is by Vulcan, but this is going to come in at a price of $849.99. Another lowest price that we've seen on the Vulcan OmniPro 220, and this is pretty cool because this is going to allow you to do your MIG welding, TIG welding, stick welding. It's all in one. And it's nice because it's also 120 volt or 240 volt. So real flexible welder by Vulcan. Now, if you guys are looking to cool down your shop or garage during the summer and you don't want to spend a lot of money, they're going to have a couple deals going on for some shop fans. These are the Central Machinery fans. They got two of them here. They got the pedestal fan and they got the floor fan. So the pedestal fan is going to be a 30-inch high velocity shop fan, 3 speeds on this one. Normally around a $159.99. I've seen these as low as around $109 during sales. And then they also have the 24-inch shop fan. This one only has 2 speeds. Both of these are going to come in at $99 a piece, depending on if you want the pedestal or you want the 24-inch floor fan. But not a bad pickup, one of the best prices we've seen thus far for the parking lot sale. Either one of these, $99.99. Another good deal for you guys that need to do some painting or stain projects is this handheld sprayer by Avani. This is going to be another lowest price that we've seen. I've seen this is around $39.99 in previous sales, but this sale, it's going to be even cheaper than that, coming in at $37.99. I own one of these, and these things are really nice. Helps speed up the process whenever you got to do some painting or staining. Really easy to use. Just plug them into an outlet, and these are compatible with water-based or oil-based stains. Great for decks, fences, trims, doors. Like I said, if you need to do a project, you don't want to spend a lot of time using a brush or a roller, these handheld sprayers really speed up the process. Now, of course, another good thing to have after a project, you got to do some cleanup. They're going to have these Grant shop towels. This is a 50-pack. These are really nice for grease, oil, paint spills, anything like that. But they're going to have these come in at a price of $7.96, so 38% off on these. Picking them up in red or in white. Normally, these are $12.99. And the cool thing about those, they are reusable. But if you guys are looking for some disposable shop towels, they also had a sale going on those. They got these coming in at $2.29, so a little discount on those. If you guys are looking for the disposable shop towels. Now, another good pickup that comes in handy just to have around the shop or garage. You need to wash your car or something, are these buckets. They got the Harbor Freight bucket coming in at $2.99, usually around $5. Really good pickup on these. They don't have the lids or anything, but not a bad deal at $2.99. Now, here's another product I always pick up when I go to these parking lot sales is the nitro gloves. They got the 5mm, 7mm, and the 9mm. These are going to be 50% off. Another in-store only deal, though. So you have to be in the stores to pick these up. Really good deal on the nitro gloves. Another nice pickup during the parking lot sale. Now, if you guys are looking for a light-duty pressure washer on a budget, they're going to have the Portland 1750 PSI on sale. This one's going to come in at $64.99. This is an electric pressure washer. And like I said, this is going to be something light duty, so this would be good for patio furniture and some light duty cleaning around the house. It's not going to do too well like on patios or cement, but if you just got to clean some patio furniture, I think this will fit the bill. 1.3 gallons per minute. It's got the 20-foot hose. Got some wheels on it so you can move it around easy, and it's real lightweight. Only coming in at about 20 pounds. And it's going to come with the soap dispenser too, so that's kind of nice. This would even work well if you wanted to use it to wash your car, maybe some ATVs, anything like that. So not a bad deal at $64.99. Now, another good deal they're going to be having are on all the Apache cases. Now, in case you guys don't know, they got multiple different sizes, and these are a good storage option for, say, electronics, sensitive electronics, firearms, jewelry, anything like that. But they're going to have a deal going on for the Apache cases where it's 30% off any of the Apache cases, no matter what size that you pick from. And they got multiple sizes, but 30% off. But this is going to be in stores only again. So you got to be in stores to pick these up. But a really good deal on these. They got the smaller cases. They got larger cases. These also come in multiple different colors, as you guys can see. So a few different colors and different styles to choose from. I actually own the rifle case, and I'm extremely happy with it. It's got the pick foam, so you can custom fit your rifle or, say, your electronics in it. Just pick out the foam. The case itself is very durable. It's got spots where you can put locks on it, just in case you want to put like a padlock, something like that. It's got your handle on it. Some of the cases that are bigger have wheels on it, so it makes it easy to move around. But these Apache cases are really nice. Very affordable and a great way to protect your electronics, rifles, anything like that. So if you guys been looking for one of these Apache cases, 30% off during the parking lot sale. But like I said, guys, in stores only, so you got to be in stores. So if you're not an Inside Track Club member, you might be limited to the selection once you guys get to the store. Last time they had a sale like this, the stores around me sold out pretty fast. Now, if you guys are like me and you're slowly converting over to solar panels, during the parking lot sale, they're going to have the Thunderbolt 100 watt solar panel on sale. And this is going to be good. You can link these together. You can run them separately, depending on if you're camping or using it for your house. But these are going to come in at $89.99. They were $120. So really nice budget alternative for if you guys are looking for solar panels to set up for your house or maybe camping. These are pretty nice because they do have the legs on the back that fold out, lightweight. So not a bad deal, $89.99. Another good pickup are these titanium step drill bits. This is a 3-piece set. So these are by Warrior, and these can be used for lots of different types of material: copper, aluminum, metal, steel. I use these many times to drill through my firewall on my car when I need to run wires. But these are coming in at $749. And these are good to drill from hole sizes from 1/8 all the way up to 3/4 of an inch. Now here's a product that I never thought I'd be picking up, but this is something the wife requested. Because when we're sitting out on the patio, the flies just seem to be really bad this year. So we're going to try out the electronic fly swatter. This one's coming in at $249. So coming in at 50% off. On Harbor Freight's website, it seems like a lot of people have used this, and it's got really good reviews. If you used it, let me know in the comment section below how well it's worked. Alright guys, so there's my top picks for the Harbor Freight parking lot sale. That's going to be happening in about 2 weeks. Like I said, it's going to be starting in August 12th through the 15th for the Inside Track Club members, and then everyone can save August 16th through the 18th. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys might be picking up. Love to hear it. Hopefully if you guys found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. You guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Till the next one, guys, talk to you later.